Hi folks, and welcome to Dutch Cooking. Today we're doing the cast iron challenge for May, which is fajitas. So we're just going to put some oil down on our hillbilly plancha. And today we're going to be making a very British fajita. We're just going to let this oil warm up. So we're going to start with cooking. We've got some tender stem broccoli and some carrots. We've also got some sugar snap peas and white onion chopped. Just move these around so they're even over the plancha surface so we can get them all cooked. We still want some snap in our vegetables, we don't want them soft. So we've got a bit of colour on as well. We're just going to move to one side now. Now we've got our meat portion. This is just a sirloin steak, about 200-250 grams. We're just going to cut across the grain of it. Now we're going to get that onto our plancha. The only seasoning we're going to put on this fajita is salt and pepper. Just separate these out. Probably shouldn't have picked them up like I did, but there we go. So I'm going to cook this steak for about a minute and a half on each side. Now we're going to season. We've just got some ground black pepper, and some coarse sea salt. We're now going to just combine everything together. So that's our fajita filling cooked. Just get it off the plancha. I've just got 2 flour tortillas. We're just going to drop down onto the plancha now. I have actually turned this off, so it's just the residual heat of the cast iron plate, just to warm these through. And they're ready. So it's time to build. So we'll just take some of the steak, the beef, the mixed vegetables. That's one done. We'll do a second one. And to make this a very British fajita, we're going to add some horseradish sauce, and we've got some thick gravy. Let's get these rolled up, and there we have it, a very British beef fajita. If you like what we're doing here with Dutch Cooking, please remember to subscribe and hit that bell.